Good morning, folks. Ray Bassett here. We're at UFit Health. And we're getting ready to do a session with my client right here. She is Precious. Isn't she Precious? What's your name again?
I'm Precious.
See? I told you. Anyway, so we're getting ready to do some legs today, and we might throw in a little bit of upper body. And how many times do we work out a week?
2 times.
2 times. But how many times do you work out? How many times do you work out a week?
3. Dance, Wednesdays, all around, 3 hours straight.
So you're a mom too.
Yes.
Okay, so because I get a lot of clients that come in here and they say, well, I just had a child and I've got, this going on. And do you have any excuses?
No excuses at all.
Evidently not.
Just make time.
Exactly. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So, how did you find me? Remember that was a while back, wasn't it?
A while back.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 years ago.
Yeah.
2 years ago, yes.
Yeah.
So just a recommendation.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's always good for me.
Yeah.
Good for business. And then, so we've been together from the beginning of the year, pretty much, right? And what are your goals? What were your goals to begin with?
I did take a little break, so my goal is to pretty much tone my legs back up to gain weight. My goal is 130.
Did you hear that, folks? To gain weight. Muscle weight.
Muscle weight, correct.
Right.
Yeah, so that I can be toned and be feeling strong. And it's more within not just my body, but also mentally. So working out pretty much brings me back to a space where I'm like regulated, my nervous system.
Great.
Yes.
Yeah, cools you down, and also those natural endorphins get fired up, so you don't go home and kill your child, right?
Definitely a release. It is a release.
So you know what? And I get a lot of excuses from people that say that, well, I have this going on at home. I've got this going on. So how do you make the time?
Just make it, depending on a child's age. If they're in school and if you're available, I like to come in the mornings while my daughter's in school. So just make that time.
So in other words, if there's a will,
there's a way.
No, there's a Ray. Okay, let's get started.
Okay. So there's a Ray. Didn't see that one.
Okay, here we are by the squat rack. So what do you want to start off with?
We're going to start off with the squats.
With squats?
Yes.
Now, how many people like to start off with squats? Okay, let's set it up here, and we'll start with squats, and then what do you usually do next?
After the squats, we either work on the calves.
Calves. Yes. And the reason why we do that is because we got a big muscle group right here, and your heart's going to be pounding, right? Especially when we start going up in weight.
Right.
And then, so we do another. Instead of sitting here and talking about, how nice the weather's going to be, we go and do calves because we're still actively working. Then we do some abdominals. We hit everything.
Right.
So nothing interrupts the other muscle group. So, okay, let's get it started.
Alrighty.
Okay. So how was that?
It's pretty
Not
heavy,
too bad?
but not too bad. All
Not too bad? You're not too out of breath? No. They love it when I ask them questions when you get done lifting 135 here on the Smith machine. Anyway, so how old are you again?
I'll be 36 in September.
Oh, I'll be 36. Yes. Okay. I remember that a few years back. Anyway, so I have clients of all ages and different athletic abilities, and you're right up on the top of my in shape list. Okay, we're gonna move on.
All right.
So Precious, what is give me an idea of what you eat. What's your diet like?
Right now, I'm getting back to eating meat. So my focus is on protein, a lot of salmon, chicken, peanut butter for sure. And then of course I add the carbs. The carbs will be either rice or like sweet potatoes or potatoes of that sort.
Okay, and that's typical?
Typical day to day.
How about this morning, what'd you have?
Well, this morning it was a pretty quick breakfast. I had I had 2 Uncrustables, so they had peanut butter in it. I had a banana, and I also on the way here had a granola bar just to give me a little fuel.
That's right, because we're doing legs today. Yes. You don't want to come in on an empty stomach.
All the fuel that I need.
Okay. All right, let's get fueled up.
All right, let's go.
Let's do these squats here. Oh yeah. Atta baby, nice. Folks, these are not easy. And that is not light. Especially when you're a little fatigued. There we go. That'll win you. So, how do you like the hamstrings?
They're pretty tight right now.
Uh-huh. Good. Sweet. Let's go 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. All right. Okay, how was that?
Wasn't too bad, but these are one of the workouts that is my least favorite.
Okay, well you got chin-ups to look forward to there later on in the workout here. So, all right. So what we're going to do is go ahead. Let's go right to leg press right next. Okay. All right. Right from the leg curl to the leg press. You need a break in between?
Oh, we got it.
All right. That's it.
Got it up there.
Yep. Just place your feet up high. There you go. Then there you go. Nice. Yeah, you want to keep your feet up high. That's it. That'll work your glutes and your hamstrings. That's it. Make sure you're going to be able to drive when you leave here. It'd be embarrassing if I have to call you an Uber. Nah, you're good. Let's go 4, 3, 2, and that was fun. Good.
Woo! Is it on there?
Oh. Okay, what's your wrist? Why don't you go ahead and sit there and rest for a second?
Woo, yeah.
All right, so
Tight.
yeah, so we're gonna stretch a little bit, get those hamstrings untangled up,
Right.
and that way you can step on the brake pedal.
The burn.
And then it's recovery time. And what's the first thing you're gonna eat when you leave?
Right now, I'm thinking, well, of course I have to do either a protein drink or a protein bar.
Okay.
I might just do something simple, a chicken sandwich, to just get the additional protein out.
Well, does your daughter eat the same thing that you do at night?
Pretty much. It just depends on the variations that I'm mixing. So I would add more carbs to my meal.
Right.
And I would add more volume to mine, so that way I can reach my goals.
Right. So that'll
Yes.
replenish your muscles from the workout, number
Correct.
one. Also, your goal is to gain a little bit of weight, or I should say, not weight, but muscle weight.
Muscle, yes.
Yes, and show those abs, as if they're not showing right now. Okay, that's it. Just keep on laughing. You keep
Right,
showing
you
your
can
abs.
see all the abs.
Very nice. Okay.
Woo.
All right, so that's going to include this workout today, and we'll save it for another day. And if anybody wants to get a hold of me, the contact information's there. And remember one thing: if there's a will,
There's a ray.
there you go. Thank you. All right, all you mothers out there that have excuses. No excuses here. That right, Precious, huh?
Right.
There you go. How was that? Especially after a leg workout.
It's pretty hard.
Yeah. Now, don't you have dance after this, or Pilates or something crazy?
Pilates, ballet, and jazz.